So I said, wow, there's something to it. So I wanted to study that, but because I was in Dubai at that time, financially, I was not in a position to go to US to do 8 weekends. Like I had to travel 8 times
Yes.
every
Yes.
weekend
Yes.
to finish the course. So I couldn't do it. So anyway, the universe actually answered my call, and actually, a guy came from Australia to teach Touch for Health in Dubai, which is an offshoot of applied kinesiology.
Oh, I see.
And
Okay.
that's where I met Katrina.
Yes, because we met through Katrina, and
Yeah,
you and I worked on healing remotely on
that's
my late husband, bless his soul, and where you were of immense support really for both of us, which is why I got intrigued about what you do.
yeah.
But today we're going to talk about something different that I haven't really known so much about, which is epigenetic healing. Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah, this is actually, epigenetics are about genes.
Hmm.
Epi means about, genetic is gene. So we all know in 1950s, they found that there is a DNA, and then, the sequence is one way,
Yeah.
and information goes only from one to another, but not the reverse way, and all those things. And people started believing, of course, it is true, the genes and all. And then what we believed was there was no escape from this.
Yes.
So if there is a disease that is in my genes from my forefathers, I will definitely get that.
Right.
Or I may get according to the statistics of it.
Yes.
So sometimes 50% of the children get it. If it came from both the parents, there is a 100% chance of all the children to get it. So depending on, like the genetic information and all those things. So if my mother was a diabetic, and all my aunts, and my father didn't, so I have a 50-50 chance of getting diabetes.
Right.
But I expect it to come at any time in my life. And you all know that our thoughts actually lead us to get to disease.